recording.
We are recording. Stasia's first steps in the snow. Look at her go. You're so happy.
Good kid.
Come here. Let her crawl. Oh, our first ball in the snow. Throw a snowball.
For first dancing in the snow.
Throw a snowball. Her first snowball.
Is it too big? Here you go. Here's a Stasia size snowball. Hey, you gotta fight back. Hey, you gotta fight back.
What do I do with it? Why is Uncle Kelsey throwing this white stuff at me? Oh, her first crawl in the snow.
You can do it. Yay! Yay! Kicking it.
I don't think she could get up. It's too slippery. Look at her go! Oh, what'd she find? Oh, that's cruel.
Wait, let her go some more. I want a picture of it.
I think her pants are too big too. Them are little nuts.
Slipping on her pants. Mommy, I can't move.
I still have the pictures on here from last year.
Strike a pose. You want me to keep recording?